Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're exploring an exciting topic. Can ChatGPT suggest activities or hobbies to try? Whether you're looking to pick up a new pastime, explore your interests, or just add some variety to your routine, well, ChatGPT can be a fantastic resource. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you find the perfect activities and hobbies. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about how ChatGPT right here can help you discover hobbies that truly resonates with your personal interests and personality. Sometimes the best hobbies are the ones that align closely with who you are and what you enjoy. Now, imagine if you're someone who loves the outdoors and has a creative streak. You might be wondering how to combine these passions into a fulfilling hobby. Well, ChatGPT can analyze your unique combination of interests and suggest activities that fit perfectly. Think about what you enjoy most in your free time. Are you someone who thrives in nature, or do you prefer more structured activities? Understanding your preferences is key to getting the best recommendations. And so, here's my prompt. There we go. So let's say I enjoy outdoor activities and have a creative side. Simple as that. Can you suggest some hobbies that combine these interests? Okay, let's send this off and let ChatGPT analyze with recommendations. And then as it processes, here are the lists right here. There we go. So one is nature photography, plein air painting. There's also gardening and landscape design, outdoor crafting, land art, outdoor writing or journaling, sketching or drawing, DIY furniture or decor. There's wildlife observation and sketching, and adventure filmmaking. And there's each of these hobbies, more details on what you would do with these hobbies. And yeah, so right there, these suggestions not only align with your love for the outdoors, but also allow you to express your creativity. Yep. So this personalized approach ensures that the hobbies you consider are more likely to keep you engaged and satisfied. It's like having a personal hobby advisor right at your fingertips. Next, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you find hobbies that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, especially when you have limited time and budget. Life can get busy, and not everyone has the luxury of spending hours or a lot of money on new activities. Well, ChatGPT can tailor its suggestions to match your available time and financial resources, making it easier to incorporate new hobbies into your routine. Consider how much time you have realistically dedicate to a new hobby each week and what your budget allows. This will help you get the most relevant recommendations from ChatGPT. Here's another prompt that I'm going to ask. Let's say I have 2 hours each weekend and a limited budget. So, what are some hobbies I can start without spending much money? Alrighty, so I'm just gonna send this prompt. Then ChatGPT will provide a range of activities that are both time efficient and budget friendly. So let's check out some of its top suggestions. Okay, so here's one and another one. Let's say drawing or sketching. There's nature walks or urban exploration. There's also writing, DIY crafts, gardening, photography, okay, origami. There's also reading and bird watching, learning a new skill, and etc. etc. And yeah, so each of these hobbies that ChatGPT had recommended, there's also why and also starter tips. So, yep, and there's also a follow up. Let's say, would you like additional resources or guidance on any of these? You could say yes or no. Well, depends on would you like any further details on these hobbies. I'd say yes, for instance. Okay, So these options are not only easy on the wallet, but also flexible enough to fit into your busy schedule. So by considering your time and financial constraints, ChatGPT helps you find hobbies that are practical and enjoyable without adding stress to your life. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's delve into how ChatGPT can introduce you to unique and uncommon hobbies that you might not have considered before. Sometimes stepping outside the mainstream can lead to incredibly rewarding experiences. Perhaps you're looking to try something different and stand out from the crowd. Now, ChatGPT can suggest intriguing hobbies that are off the beaten path, offering you the chance to discover something truly unique. Think about whether you're interested in niche activities or you're open to experimenting with completely new experiences. This mindset can help you get the most out of ChatGPT suggestions. So, simple as that. Here's my prompt right here. Nothing to explain with this. Now let's send this over and see what ChatGPT has in store with the recommendations for you. All right, so here are the list that ChatGPT each proposed. There's one right here like beekeeping, tree shaping, rock balancing, LARPing or live action role playing, foraging, competitive puzzle solving, there's letterboxing, and perfume making, so on and so forth. And yep, so these hobbies offer unique experiences and can be great conversation starters. This would add a distinctive flair to your personal interests. Exploring these uncommon hobbies can open up new avenues for personal growth and adventure, thus making your leisure time even more exciting. And there you have it. ChatGPT is a powerful tool to help you discover new activities and hobbies tailored to your interests, lifestyle, and even your desire for something unique. Whether you're looking to stay active, save time and money, or explore the unconventional, ChatGPT has got you covered. And that's that. Until next time, everybody.